guys can hear because all the wind. With the polar and home of the ocean, this applies to Striker. And the scenery just looks like I was dreaming. Let me show you. Today we're installing the wood stove. There's a lot of steps in this wood stove installation, and we're going to go along to the ride. So
This is step one. Step one would be part one.
Part one is put stuff on the floor so that the floor mirror does not catch fire. And we're going to put her back with some block, with some tile.
There's a lot to do, so let's get to it.
Okay. This also needs to go 2 feet past it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, so I think the wall should go here. Or should go over here.
Let's see. And this goes like that. This way. Any times you are too far away, she'll set everything.
Right here? I'd rather have more this way than this way. Okay. So I think right here.
And then over. How far from the floor do you want to do that?
That's a little too far. Okay,
Yeah, thank you. Seems good right there.
that's a little too far. Okay, next one.
Okay, go for it. I'm going to nestle it in with some pressure, like this. And come up. Okay, go ahead. There you go. Good job. Well, do your best. Good job.
You think a little bit runs in?
A little bit. And just like come just up there. Now maybe left face, but yeah, for the facing. So now you're facing. I drop one here and one here. Yep, you put one there. Alright, you're gonna fix it. Hang on. Doesn't have a bag too.
Mile. Mile away.
Hey, what's good?
Thanks. No, no.
So I'm picturing rocks like this size or the edge of the base.
Yeah.
Both of those are- yeah, those are good.
You have to get it right.
Yeah, those are good.
Oh, magical.
I see it all over here. I've already seen some of them.
They're cute. They're coming. They're like blood.
Okay, so we have a couple of rocks that are all strategically picked. So we have a flat edge on each one, and then we have a bolt thin set right there. So just what you're doing here, Leah.
Just kind of dipping it in.
Thin set on the flat side.
That side. And before I'm placing it, I'm making sure that looks like that piece like fit perfectly. And then this piece is going to fit perfectly next to that one.
This is super cool because it's like two materials and all natural and like earth and material.
Yeah, I'm just not sure how I'm going to pull it for.
I'll see in a minute. Work. And then more will be hard rock.
No intended.
Alright, it's like night, it's like 11:30 p.m. and I'm getting this done before I go to bed so it's dry and ready to go to the next step tomorrow morning. So I got the floor finished and grounded. Just grab right over the top and now we got the nice and solid, ready to clean and put the stuff on. Good morning everyone. It looks pretty good. We sponge washed it and got it clean and the grass looks pretty nice. And the tile's been drying now for about 36 to 48 hours, so we're going to try to put a little ramp on there and wheel the wood stove right up on it.
Day 3 of woodring stove.
We thought it'd be one day for us, but the rain got us and we were supposed to supply got us, so we were
All these times, like, taking your time putting it in. I mean, even though it's cold and maybe nice to have it, but
yeah, every night we go to sleep and it's cold, but like, I should have finished it today.
we have to wait for it to dry though.
I'll put this right here just to feel like, so it doesn't collapse on us. Okay, so we're going to push forward on 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, have it on. 3. Okay, roll it down slow. Okay. Oh, crap, it's out.
No way.
This way.
That's not even
Ah, psych! It's slow to me. Push it. So what do you think?
I think it's nice.
I think you did fantastic job.
Thanks.
Great
It's
work.
hard.
We stopped out, we got all the pieces that we need to get this chimney in right and be safe and be efficient. So the whole goal of the project is to have wood stove function efficiently and also safely. Okay, let's do things efficiently and safely. We want the heat to come into the yurt, dry things out, keep us warm, but we also want to cook on top of it, so we want some good heat on top for cooking, and we also want to have the yurt be totally safe and people in it. So it came with that flame view chimney piece, that chromed out piece right there. You can see the black piece. I bought that as an elbow, it's a double wall piece of pipe that's gonna elbow over and shoot the chimney out the wall of the yurt. You might be asking if that chimney gets all hot, what's gonna stop it from burning the wood and material of the yurt is made of, just catching the yurt on fire? Well, it's double wall and insulated. So the chimney pipe that elbows over is double wall. So that means there's a gap between where the hot part is and where the outside is, and the part that's going to go through the yurt is also insulated. Let me show you what that means. This pipe is gonna carry the chimney from the inside of the yurt to the outside of the yurt, so it's gonna go through the wall. And see all this part? The hot part will be inside here, and there's a gap, and it's like a protective 2-inch gap that keeps the outside nice and cool to the touch. So the part that touches the yurt will be nice and cool, but the part that carries the fire and heat to the outside will be hot. So insulated pipe. And this guy, the elbow, is also a double wall. So see how it also has kind of 2 layers in there. It has this inside part and this outside part. So that gap allows for the outside part to be cooler. The flame view part comes out as a single wall. Now we're gonna get heat inside the yurt. We got at least 2 feet of space between the stove, the back of the stove, and the wall. We've also got the tile and the block. 3 layers. We have hardy backer, we have block, then we have tile. So the floor there is super thick and will protect the platform and the laminate floor from getting hot. There's at least 2 feet of space in front of the stove, so any sparks that come out of the stove won't catch wood on fire, it'll land on the tile. Just a side note, in case my brother watches my videos, he should be doing here as long as because he was addicted to Legos growing up, and so we right at the valley. And it's been raining for the last 5 days, so this is gonna be scary because there's a bunch of zombies just waiting outside in here, aka mosquitoes. From here, imagine this inside that elbow and tell me. See something right down. Up right there. Now this side up a little bit. Stop. Well, I got the hole in the yurt, let's check out what goes there.
Okay, as you can see, I hung our closet right here. Jake and I, we weren't sure how it would look, but now we have it up there. We like it, but it might not be permanent. Just like this kitchen setup here isn't permanent. Like eventually we're gonna have actual kitchen counters, but it's nice that we didn't have to alter like or drill anything into the yurt because the holes are already pre-drilled. So it's nice to actually have them up to see what we have for the time being. So I think it looks okay. So what do you think?
That looks great, and like you said, it's functional for the time being.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like viral on Pinterest.
He's like saying Pinterest, and I'm like, I don't have a man to say that.
What I mean though is that like I want everything that we have: the kitchen, the loft, the garden, the wood stove, the yoga qigong area to be Pinteresty. You know what I'm saying? Like 10 people share on Pinterest. So this looks like it's a step up from where we were.
Yeah, just to have them out and not have boxes. Like, I'm really trying to eliminate boxes, but we really don't have any like shelvings or cupboards or anything like that.
And I love how the holes are already there.
Yeah.
We didn't have to permanently alter or do anything, so we easily just take them.
Yeah. I can't reach, so we're gonna be like this, so it's gonna be short.
Okay, I'll just take it.
Yay.
Once again, we've got the elbow. That's a double wall. And I bought this coupler. It's gonna allow me to put 2 pieces together, so the coupler is gonna fit into the elbow. And then this is gonna go into the coupler. Also perfect fit. And I'm gonna mark right here and cut with tin snips this part of the chimney. And that will be where it'll fit into the insulated pipe and go through here. I also got this cool little plug that we're gonna use later. That for now is an unseeable plug.
I'm filming you. Nice outfit, babe.
Thanks.
Wow.
What's wrong with it?
You're wearing suspenders.
I'm not wearing this. Alright, I'm wearing suspenders.
You are looking sexy.
I think I'm gonna be wearing suspenders from this point on every day.
Please don't. Turn around.
You chainsaw pants. You gotta wear them. We're doing a lot of crazy cuts. The chainsaw fits me in here or here. These pants are picking up 1400 RPM. I'm wearing these pants.
Wow.
So it's starting.
Okay.
Nicole thinks I'm so funny right now for some reason. I just understand why I'm doing what I'm wearing, which is so funny. Well, I'm glad I can't use her. And she has to be sure. Yeah, so I'm gonna stick it all the way in. But don't mess on the thread line. So just get it right there. Perfect. Don't move. Okay, you're good. How do you pose like? Like Twin Towers?
Yeah.
And
Like a floating head. Well, obviously not because.
like Wizard of Oz. Who rings on my door?
Oh yeah.
Remember?
The gatekeeper. Sorry, you're eating alive. Let's do it.
Yeah, Jesus. They're working. that in?
Is this yeah.
Good job.
She's okay, girl. She's still taking the lead. Look at her technique.
No, take one, take the lead. Oh, take the Team Flatfish. Jake is gaining behind.
You're taking me out.
Really have enough time to get there. Flatfish is gaining. She's gonna lose it down the ravine. But Jeff Probst was getting me for the win. Jake relinquishes his lead to flirt with the pretty girl.
It's good for competition.
An amazing recovery. He's still gaining.
He's no monkey.
What do you think, those two? I think keep holding it. Fire is raging now, and it's starting to get warmer here in the yurt. And what I'm really excited about is that it's actually a stove cooktop that had room for at least 4 or 5 pots. So we're cooking up some tea here. We're going to boil some water for noodles, and this is a nice yummy eggplant dish that I've got going on. I'll show you guys the finished product here from that. But all cooking without electricity and without propane. Put the lid outside.
Just made some red pu'er tea. Jake has been running back and forth, like, I feel so bad for him. So our neighbor Julian came up and said that they're giving away a bunch of firewood, big massive stumps. He didn't want them, no one else wanted them, so Julian asked us if we did, and of course, because we don't have a firewood pile, we have a little bit of firewood, but we're so busy with other things that aren't really like in the back of our brains. So to have all this firewood, and there's so much. We still have to chop all the little pieces and pile it up and stuff, but to have it so much, like, this will last us all winter and set us up for success for next year. Like, I'm so grateful, but Jake, I feel bad for him because he's having to lift him up and clean the truck.
So the neighbors just said the street fell 6 months ago, and they are already like 3 years ahead with the wood. They don't know what to do with it, so it was just taking up space, and it would be them a favor if we cleared it. It would be us a favor to have all this wood, which is like for us, it's easily over a year or 2 of wood.
This is a lot.
For a couple of these.
Just getting started. Yeah. Like, was our driveway, our old driveway.
I'll be just cutting them into nice fire pieces as we need it, and store them all underneath the cardboard. I had a friend out here telling me that it's actually going to leave the wood in the sun because the pores of the wood can get primed with sun energy and become more explosive and hotter and can be burned. But we're at least going to keep them out of the rain under the easy belt structure of cardboard.
Yeah.
This needs to be like now this eggplant dish is sizzling on top of the wood stove. I've just something that's going to give Nicole and I free heat forever. They're also going to put on top of any electricity. We don't need to pay power bill, we don't need propane. Right here, it's amazing. What do you think of the dynamic of our yurt now?
I think it's just completely.
Yeah. How does it feel? I think it's
warm.
Yeah.
Warm and cozy, and then the color of the yurt is soft. It's like soft, warm, cozy. It's very nice. It just makes me think of my childhood, and I know it makes me think of your childhood. We're gonna enjoy our food. Just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and please hit that like button if you like this video.
Really, those of you who have joined our Patreon page have become part of our inner circle, our trusted friends, our patrons, and you guys help to fund our videos. But those of you who just watch here on YouTube, it's totally free to watch, so the least you can do, in my opinion, is please interact. Leave a nice comment down below, leave a question, hit the like button, subscribe, but you also have to hit the bell button and turn on the notifications because there's no longer any like subscription fee or column. There is, but it's very hard to find. Yeah. And for internet creators like Nicole and I, it's very hard to get on the trending page, very hard to get videos pop up ahead of all the big networks and the big money. We edit all these videos ourselves and produce our own money and our own time and effort. So the least you guys can do, in my opinion, is please hit the bell button and interact with us in the comments. And if you want to go a step further and become part of our family and inner circle, you can go to our Patreon page and join. No matter what tier you want to join for, it's right there. Link down below in patreon.com/jacob.
Let's see.
Looks absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, it really is.